That's where the good smell comes from.
Oh, no. Oh.
Yeah, that's me, Gage. What?
I was gonna say, good to know I'm 13 inches wide.
That's boobies with it, though. That's boobies.
No, my belly touching it.
And this is Aly. Quit digging in my ass, Aly. See you later. Bye.
And this is our YouTube channel. Ew.
Aly deleted our intro to this video.
Yeah.
So, a little context for what's going on. We just installed our new door handle and lock. What else did you delete? Or do you know?
I don't really know.
Alright, anyways, we're going to pick it up right here. We're almost done with the door part. But we don't have no batteries, so we're just going to have to use the key that comes with it. But look at that. Look how nice it does.
Ooh.
So now, I messed up and went with, you know, like one of the doors from like a salvage place. That was brand new, just secondhand. And so it don't come with holes.
So we're going to have to drill a hole right there somewhere.
Yep. So if I mess this up, it's Aly's fault.
No, because if we've learned anything, it's Gage is a horrible measurer. And he should always consult me before making decisions. Because he's literally about to ruin the door.
Yeah, a second ago, I thought it was a good idea to take this drill bit and drill through here. Because it was too long.
And I was like, no.
All I had to do was turn the lock over. I was going to take this and drill through the door. How stupid am I?
But luckily, I figured out what he was doing and stopped him.
Yeah, luckily.
He was like, you can't just shorten this. You can.
Yeah, you can. I probably don't screw this up right here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. All right.
I just don't know about it.
I don't know about it either, Aly.
Oh my god.
We gonna cut somewhere right here.
We don't really know fractions, so we just kind of guessed.
Oh man. Can you hold this back?
Oh. You gonna do my finger?
No.
Oh no. I'm scared for my fingers.
Moment of truth here.
There
all right.
She is.
Well,
oh, God, I'm scared.
Here, let's give her a test before.
Oh.
It goes in the hole. It goes in the hole.
Oh.
So now I got to put this on. Let's just hope, right?
I can't believe he did it, kid. Just kidding. I have faith in you the whole time.
I wouldn't have faith yet, because if I put too many holes in this, we're not going to be able to adjust it properly.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Keep holding your breath. We'll go right here. Okay.
Work.
Yep. Alright, we still got more screws to put in though.
The hardest part of Gage's day is opening these little packs of screws.
My goodness, man. I don't know what they were thinking. Alright. Let's get some more screws in this bad boy. Alright. Now let's put one over here. Let's just test it again, because I don't want to put too many holes.
I think you tested enough.
Let's just hope it works with the batteries in it.
Why wouldn't it?
Oh, shoot, I don't know. Sounds like a problem I'd have, though. Alright, it moved a little bit, so.
Are you serious?
No. Let's just. Alright. We'll tighten this one down a little bit. Well, it's busting through the thing over here. Hold on. Let me. How'd I know we was gonna have an issue with at least one screw?
You've already took that one out once.
I know. It's busting through the thing over here. That'll be good enough. Alright, let me put one more screw in. Last screw here. Alright. Let's see here. Final time here.
Did we do it?
Yep. Here, let's test the key. We got some new keys. It said it come with batteries, but it doesn't.
Yeah, there's definitely no batteries. Oh no, battery exhausted.
Oh no.
Can we bring a charger? Be real.
What?
The battery's exhausted. Did we bring a charger?
Oh, for the camera?
Yes.
No.
I'm an electrician. Alright, so y'all know I'm not too much help on this build, but I replaced these all by myself. Well, Gage showed me, but then I did it. I put all the things in here, and look. You turn it. And then there's one outside. I'm so proud of myself. What you doing?
Getting frustrated.
Because why?
Because they make this stuff harder than it should be. You know, typical stuff.
Or maybe you just don't know what you're doing.
No, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
He always says that.
By golly, I know what I'm doing. Here's the problem right now. I ain't got nothing to nail to. That's too far. I stepped in dog dookie.
Yeah, it stinks.
Alright, we got a lot of the electrical outlets done. Look at these lights. They're so bright. We got the outsides done too. Is my hair like crazy? Kinda. It'll be alright. So now, we haven't picked up this place in a long time. I mean, look at it. Look at this mess we have. So now, we're going to clean up. You think they're just getting dizzy? No. No? Got anything to say? Ow, ow, ow. So yeah.
Oh, that one's good.
Yeah.
I never used this one before.
We're going to start cleaning up. Just to make sure it's clean.
Wow, I'm so glad you gave that important bit of information.
Shut up. Alright. Clean mode activated. I don't remember if I showed y'all this. We trimmed the thing out. What you doing? Look, Aly cut all these boards and we got to trim it out.
Oh, the beautiful angles.
Yeah. So we put some waterproof taping behind it because we're putting new siding on this part, so. Alright. Oh, camera's dirty.
Oh, sun's really shining.
Yeah. Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Next time, what are we doing next time?
You're coming back for...
Oh yeah, I'm coming back to finish up the electrical and plumbing. So we'll give you an update on that once we get it done. But do you want to say it?
Yeah. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, we got a new video every Sunday.
Yep. And make sure you follow us on Instagram to have more updates.
At Gage and Aly.
Yep. All right. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.